How to fix headphone only works in one ear on PC. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily fix if you're having trouble with listening to both sides on your headphone. Now let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and check if your ports are damaged. Because oftentimes what happens is people don't realize that the port they're using to connect to their headphones are damaged. So you need to make sure that none of your hardware is damaged. Now, once you have finalized that your hardware is not the problem, then in that case, what you need to do is go over to the search bar and search for control panel. Hit enter. And then from there, you need to find your sound settings. Click on it, and you can find your headphones. So oftentimes what also happens is you can go ahead and choose a playback here. Right click on it, click on test, and the headphones should ring on both of your ears. But if it's working normally here, then that probably means that this problem is not system-wide. So what happens is you should hear your left ear first, then onto your right ear. But if it works here, but you're facing the issue in certain application, then that means that the app is the problem. So you should try to use your headphones as default audio sources on those kind of apps like Discord or if you're playing any other games. After doing that, you can right click on it and then go to properties. Once there, you want to go over to levels, make sure you increase your volume, go to balance, and in this case, make sure the left and right values are the same, because sometimes it might be just like this, so your left won't work. Make sure that these have a same value. You can also manually type it here. If not, you can just use your arrows as well. Now, once that is done, tap on OK, then go over to custom. If you want to limit your output, you can do that as well. I'll just leave it as it is here. Close everything out. Restart your PC once. That should fix the most of your problems. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.